Today we are going to create a motion effect like this. You can choose your preferred interface. Follow the logic in the tutorial to create it. Let's start the tutorial. Import two images to be used. Create a new main composition. Drag an image 1. Press S to scale down to 55. We are going to cut out the image. Select the rectangle tool. Frame the elements to be displayed. Copy one layer and press M. After clicking the mask, move to another element, and so on. All perform the same operation. Finally, remember to change all masks to add. Click on a keying layer. Add a transform effect. Keyframe opacity and position. Pull down the start position. Opacity 0. Keyframe F9 easing. Copy transform properties. Apply to other layers. We need to offset each layer by 2 frames. Here I used motion tools. You can refer to it. Select all layers. Right-click Precompose. Rename UI icon. Drag an image 1 again. Press S to shrink to 55. We need to fill the color. Remove the UI icon. Select the area to remove. Add fill effect. Open fill. In the composition options, click the plus sign. Select the color picker tool. Fill color. Copy fill. Select mask to fill colors. This way we get a blank interface. Rename to blank interface. Then drag an image 1. Press S to shrink to 55. This time we need to cut out the left sidebar. Rename to left sidebar. Temporarily hide display. Attach UI icons and left border to blank interface. Layer. Move blank interface position down a bit. Create a new solid layer. Place on blank interface. Hide display. Use pen tool to frame the upper interface. Apply blank interface's alpha matte to solid layer. Only the upper interface is displayed. Create a new 35mm camera and a null object. Camera negative to null. Turn on the 3D switch for all objects. Mask layer. Control double-click to center anchor point. Press S to cancel scale constraints. Move to half a second to set a keyframe. Set Y-axis to 0 at the start. Null object. Press P and Shift are to keyframe position and direction. Set direction X at around 3 seconds. 40Y set 35Z set 6. Click the scale keyframe on the mask layer. At a few seconds. Scale up the Y-axis until the entire interface is displayed. Select all keyframes, F9 to enable easing. Show the left panel. Press P to keyframe the position. Change Z-axis to -20. Slowly lift the left border. Drag in the second image. Change scale to 55. Open 3D. Adjust position to align with the top of image 1. Press P. Adjust X-axis position to move out of frame. Connect the negative pole to the blank interface layer. Now cancel the negative pole connection of the left border. Press P on the blank interface to create position keyframes. Drag to align image 2 with the left sidebar. Change the left border Z-axis to 0. Finally, create a keyframe for the empty object to return to its original position. Adjust the timeline as needed. Open the keyframe F9 easing. Motion blur. Finally, the effect is complete.